In this lesson, we're going to go over how to store your products safely. So as you go through the lessons, it might be tempting to throw away all your currently harmful products and start fresh. However, I do recommend avoiding this for two reasons. Firstly, replacing everything immediately can be overwhelming and stressful. Secondly, you might want to use up your current products to avoid unnecessary waste and just make healthier changes gradually. It also gives you more time to sort of go through and figure out what are the best products. A transition period is essential to make this process more manageable. During this time, you can research, find safer, non-toxic alternatives that work best for you and your family. It also allows you to gradually introduce these new products into your routine without the pressure of necessarily making an immediate overhaul to everything that you're using. And while you're in this transition period, it's important to store your products safely. Even if you are not actively using them, harmful chemicals can still affect indoor air quality if these things aren't stored properly. So using airtight, BPA-free and platelet-free containers, such as Sterilite boxes, will help minimize your exposure to these chemicals. Try to store your products away from your main living areas. So for example, a detached garage or an outdoor area would be great. If these options aren't available, designate a space in an attached garage, a closet, a utility room, somewhere that's going to be far away from your main living areas. When organizing your cleaning supplies, gather them by category, like kitchen cleaners and bathroom cleaners, and ensure that all containers are sealed properly just to prevent any fumes from escaping and affecting our air quality. Remember, when handling these products and moving them into containers, it can sometimes lead to health symptoms like headaches, dizziness, weakness. And so if you start to experience any of these symptoms when you're handling these products, take breaks and move to a well-ventilated area. Don't be scared to ask for assistance if you're concerned about any of your specific sensitivities to chemicals. As you use each product, return it to its designated container. So for items that you use daily, like personal care products, consider storing them in smaller airtight containers in a convenient location, such as under the bathroom sink. Try giving this approach a try as you work throughout this module. And in the next module, we're going to move on to cleaning.